Well, we have had a learning experience over the few years getting a couple of, I guess they're Splendide 2000 or 2100 washer dryer units. And so we have had some issues with a long time for a load to dry. And so I had contacted the company, or maybe YouTube, I forget exactly what, but anyway, I just thought perhaps a short video would help someone else with what's going on here. And got my headlamp on for seeing easier visibility and such. And so we have our unit here, and it's not the easiest spot to access. It's in the bedroom, as sometimes hookups are put in a cabinet. And so what we have is buildup of lint. And what you have to do is access the back of the where the hose attaches, and that goes to the outside. And I will reach in from the outside where there's flaps, for the exhaust, and I'll get on a ladder and try to reach in as far as I can and get the lint that's built up from there. But still, that didn't help the machine, because what it would do, it would cut off obviously overheating and time again. So it would take forever long, maybe 6 hours or so today, and it's using a lot of electricity, place for a part, mooch docking, if you will. And we just have found that you have to remove the hose from the back of the machine where it attaches here. Remove it from there. There's a bracket that goes here that just unscrews. A couple of screws there to take off. And then there's a rubber kind of a gasket. It's a hose where the lint comes out. And you just have to reach in there and keep working at it. And in behind here, you can feel, and what you have to do is reach in. You have to push up. Just keep working, and it helps have long fingers to reach in and keep pulling out, and even pull up on the rubber. Just try to work it out. And I can't show with holding the phone here, but there's the rubber hose that does an elbow. That's the biggie, is the elbow of that rubber hose is where lint gets caught, and it just builds up. And then you have the heat not able, just builds up wads here. And so I've had to before, I know last time I reached in from the top, but I don't think you have to do that. If you can work the rubber elbow, push it up, and keep working the wads of lint up where you can reach it and pull it out. I don't know if you can see in here or not. I'll show my flashlight. Right there's the rubber gasket or rubber hose. And you reach in there and keep pushing up. It's a two-handed job there. But with the two-handed, you can push up from underneath and reach and get more and just keep working it up and out, and that will free the air to flow through and keep the unit from overheating and be able to dry your clothes. So that's what we found out kind of the hard way the first time. This time is going a little bit easier because I know what to do. It doesn't make it easier work, but it makes it a little easier when you know what to do rather than trying to figure it out. So anyway, it may be of help to somebody. Thanks for watching.